Alright, the trick to fried chicken is soaking it in buttermilk. You can go to the store and buy buttermilk and just soak your chicken in there 2 to 4 hours. If you do not have buttermilk, you can make a substitute, and it's just regular whole milk, about 3 cups of regular whole milk with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and you get yourself some buttermilk. All right, soak the chicken in there. Mine is gonna do about 3 hours. All right, we're gonna make the flour mixture. I am gonna do 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, some salt, and some ground pepper. Gonna give this a good mix, and this is the flour mixture that we're gonna be working with our chicken. All right, my chicken thighs are gonna go right into the flour mixture. Just drop it right there, shake it just a little bit of excess, but you want them to hold some of that buttermilk in there. That's what's gonna give them the clumps. So it goes right in the mixture. All right, we're gonna seal this and give it a good shake. You want the chicken to coat. You want the flour mixture to coat the chicken throughout. So give it a good shake. And this is the first coating. We're gonna do 2 coatings. That should do it. All right, like I said, we're gonna do a double coating. So I'm gonna set this aside. Let's see for about 30 minutes. And let it soak up the flour and get all matted on there. In the meantime, after this, we are gonna warm our oil. All right, I got my Dutch oven going with peanut oil, about 3 inches deep. I'm gonna start this. You want this to get to 375, ultimate temperature for frying chicken. Here comes the second coating, so just put it back in there, the flour mixture that we had earlier, and we're gonna do another shake. See, it's kind of matted on there. Good stuff. Shake it in there, and that gives it that crispy fried chicken texture. All right, that's done. This is ready for frying. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so for my oil, I'm looking for 375 Fahrenheit. Get yourself the thermometer. And the chicken just goes right in there. This is ready to go, so we're good to go. You want 15 minutes for this size chicken. Somewhere along the way, halfway through, I'm gonna flip them. You don't necessarily have to, but I will. So 15 minutes, so maybe 7 minutes, flip them. Let's check it out. Get yourself a wire rack, boom, and that's where I'm gonna drain the chicken when they're done. Okay, folks, my chicken is done. Golden, crispy. Oh, how it smells. So good. I love fried chicken. Guys, this is the best fried chicken recipe you find on the internet. Alright, let's take this out, and we are gonna let it just drain out. Oh, these are beautiful. And there is my buttermilk soaked fried chicken with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and that's it. We're gonna serve this bad guy. Look at that. Yummy. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Follow, like, share, comment. Have a good one. As John Lennon once said, crappiness is a warm gun.